Hey, 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 hey. So I'm going to show you a quick bag reveal. What I'm trying to do is I love a big bag. And currently I have like this bag that's like this long. It's really big. So I could just throw a lot of stuff in there. But because it's so big and I throw so much stuff in there, it ends up being very heavy. And when I put it on my shoulder, I'm like, it's just starting to hurt. And there's homes that have stairs, so I don't always bring my wheeled caddy because then I'm like trying to lug that upstairs. So I'm trying to make my life easier as I get older. So I'll link it down below if you want it. This one is more like a medium-sized bag. I would not call this a large. It's like a medium size. Kind of hard to see it like this, by the way, but I'll try my best. I have an all-purpose cleaner that I made. I have my Force of Nature disinfectant. This is what I use for disinfecting. I have my microfiber wholesale glass and mirror cleaner. I have the Cif Scrub Daddy cleaner gel, whatever cream. I brought my stain remover. I also got this off the TikTok shop because there were some stains that I wanted to get off the doors. I have my reusable washable dusters. Yeah, I'm gonna take that off and wash it. Some microfiber cloths, my little snack lunch bag, and then I have my little, look at that, embroidered Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy little bag of more knickknacks and tools and brushes and stuff like that in case I need them. So that's this one. Then I got some shoe slip covers here. I had a granola bar in here, but I ate it. And then I have a zipper compartment with some masks and gloves if I need it. This was a really nice bag. I have other videos showing it so you could see it, but it has some nice compartments. I have a bag here. It's my wet bag with my dirty cloths that I'm gonna have to wash when I get home. And then this is a bag that I used as well today too. I like that I can wash this. I had a client of mine who bought this for me from India. It is so, look at this. It's so pretty and it has a zipper, which I like. And then this is kind of like my bathroom bag. So I have my toilet bowl cleaner here. These are great. I'll make a video if you want to know about them. Eco-friendly toilet bowl cleaner strips. So there's no bottle to lug around. It's just the toilet bowl cleaner strips. Absolutely genius. Gloves, more gloves. And then this is my another bathroom bag, which has my scrub brush, a cup, dish soap, Scrub Daddy, whatever this is called, I forgot. My head's starting to hurt. Scrubbers. So I have this bag. Inside this bag, what else do I have in this bag? Oh, a bottle of water. What else do I have? I think that's it. Because then I also had a bunch of towels in here, but they got used, and now they're in the wet bag. So then I could just throw this in here too. Just brought these two bags in, this one and that other one, and I did my thing. So that's what I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to do 2 bags now, because I feel like as I get older, you know, I'm going to be 50 soon. My skin still looks great, but my bones and my muscles are feeling it. So I'm trying to spread out into 2 bags. And that bag in the other video that you saw, the 31 bag, is actually home for tomorrow's cleaning. So there's lots of bags when you're a cleaning business owner. But yeah, if you want to grab this bag, I'll link it down below. If you want to grab the Cif cleaner, Force of Nature, you get like a year's supply, by the way. And you can make your own disinfectant at home, and it's so much safer than bleach, by the way. If you want to get the plant-based glass and mirror cleaner, I'll link that below. If you want to get the reusable, I gotta take that off, it's disgusting. Put that in my wet bag too. Dusters, I'll link down below. If you want to get the wet bag, because then that goes in the washing machine. So it just makes my life a lot easier with more minimal waste cleaning, less things to recycle or throw out because I'm reusing, and spreading the weight out. So like that, it's not so much on my back. All right, guys, bye.